Vuka man. Zoyithola kanjani uhlele esofeni, eh?
What do you want from me? Help!
Thabo, Cruize, Lefoka. You think we're here to play games, huh? Well, here's a game for you. It's called Q&A. Fact or pain? You tell me what I want to know, or you get some pain.
Look here, Masterkind. Stop being so anxious. Either tell us what we need to know, or more pain.
Go get him some water.
So, booyah, Cruize blade.
Who are you? Are you a doctor? Hustler?
I ask the questions here, you understand? Fact or pain? You grew up in an orphanage, and you love hacking computers?
I don't know what you're talking about. That's not me. I'm not your guy.
Give him some pain.
Ah! Ah!
Let's make this easy for yourself. You tell us what we want to know, and no pain. Give him some more.
Okay. I'll tell you. I'm Cruize Blade. I'm the guy you're looking for.
You make it too easy.
What's so funny?
My name is Madi. I'm your long-lost brother. This is Palesa. She's your long-lost sister. And we just moved into the building. And we'd like to get a hold of your Wi-Fi password.
Then why the drugging? Why the Russian torture?
Well, that was just your initiation into the family. But be glad though, because your siblings got it worse.